Hello, thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas and I show you guys this short video of three things that I found in your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, Masters Electric are the guys that show on the first result when you look for electricians in Miami, and you could be there really easily by just implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I shoot this video for you, and it's because I know a lot of business owners are really busy helping their clients and they don't have time to learn how to get the internet bringing them more business. But I found out that by shooting these educational videos and giving all this information for free, a lot of them they like to take the information and just do it themselves. But some people contact me and have me doing that for themselves for them. Okay. So jumping into it because I want to make it nice and short. The three things that Google takes in consideration to rank a website on the top is content, backlinks, and citations. Content would be everything that is on your website right here, okay? All the words, pictures, what is behind the pictures, and how the pictures are saved as counts as content. Usually, on average, Google likes to see about 2,000 words of content on the front page for websites that rank on the top. I see that you have here 406. So you will need to implement a little bit of extra content, also some keyword rich oriented content. Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking the most on Google. So when they look for those terms, you can be found. So you want to make some research on what are those terms and include those words or those phrases several times throughout the content of your homepage. Then, second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. But first of all, let me show you here your competition. If you put the same in the word counter, you can see that they have 1,300 words, okay? So then, as I was saying, second thing, backlinks. Backlinks are basically other website mentioning your website on a hyperlink, and when somebody clicks on it, it drives all the traffic back to your site. Google is a little bit like a popularity contest, okay? So in order to rank here, you need to build a strong backlink profile. And by that I mean, for Google, it's not the same as you can imagine. That, for example, a Pizza Hut mention or a pizza place mentions your website on their site. Is that on the other hand, another electrician or a website that put electrical related articles, okay, mention your website on their site. That is way more important and powerful on Google sites because that gives you way more trust and power, okay? They always want to see businesses or websites in the same niche mentioning you and giving you those backlinks, all right? If I take your website here and I put it into Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to check backlinks and referring domains, I can see that you have zero referring domains, no data, no data. That means that you may have one or two, but usually means that you don't have any other websites mentioning your website, okay? And that is very, very important if you want to rank on the top of Google. If you get their website here, Masters Electric, and you put it on Ahrefs, you can see that they have 76 referring domains. How can you how can you rank your competition? You just simply go here and go through every single one of these pages. You made a profile and put a link to your website on all of them. You just copy all the ones that they have. If they're good for ranking them, they're good to rank you as well. And in order to just blow them out of the water, you just not copy all this, but you add some extra ones. That way, whenever they try to build some more, you keep going, and it's very hard for them to ever catch up. Okay. Third and last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. A citation is basically your information listed in several directories or throughout the web. And by that I mean directories like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, Angie. All those count as directories, okay? And that's what it gets you here on top of the MacPack, which is really important because this gets a lot of traffic, okay? And for example, the thing how you do it is you check how many citations your top competitors have in here, and let's say they have 150, you want to make like 300 for the same reason. That way, when they notice that you outrank them and they start building citations again, you're gonna be so far ahead that when you start as well, and they will never be able to catch up. And that said, a little recap. You need about 2,000 words of content, keyword rich and oriented content on your front page. Then you also want to build a really important, healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing it by copying your competition. All right. And then just build the citation. Same thing with the backlinks. You can just go ahead and see where directories are they have their information, and you just copy all of them plus add in some extra ones. Okay. So that said, if you like what you heard, please get in touch with me if you want me to do this for you. But if you want to do it yourself, please get all this information, take it as some free education. And if you have any questions throughout the process, please feel free to contact me. The only thing I ask for, if you don't mind, is leave me a little review on this video. That will help me a lot. Thank you very much.